Алло, вы в School? Есть идея.
After 3 long painful hours, we finally step off the train. It don't look like in the brochure, it's all kind of brown and grey. Helter skelter's covered up, lights out at the fairground. And if you walk along the pier, you'll see why they burnt it down. Let's wish upon these stones, we can throw them out to sea. I know it all looks kinda hopeless, but I believe they'll come back to me. And every wave that crashes down is a promise I'm making you. Let's take over some old pub, we can make this town brand new. Could have gone for a sun and sand, seen the sights of New Japan, maybe Thailand or Jamaica, been enlightened in Malaysia. I decided we're coming here, it's a washout but we're gonna persevere. In the town that time forgot, we're gonna have fun whether you like it or not. We're going away on holiday, so pack your bags and wave the lights and leave your dignity behind for the broken lights on the promenade and what's left to the skyline. In the pub he's red like lobster, knocks him back, he won't be outdone. Union Jack swimming shorts, case we don't know where he's from. Gollywog in the shop front window by the fashion vacancy sign. No wonder when the world turned, it left this town behind. 2 lovers in the chip shop doorway, huddled up cause it's howling down. Falling in and out of love tonight, but right now they're stood on common ground. Drunk Romeo and angry Julie, cuddly shark in a takeaway. Bad painting, see it fading from the golden glory days. Who's gonna choose dirt and rain when you could just fly to Spain? You can get there pretty cheap, stay for about half a week, but not us, we like it here. Greasy food and pricey beer, we're the only ones remaining. We find it all entertaining, just wake me up when it stops raining. We're going away on holiday, so pack your bags away the lights and leave your dignity behind for the broken lights on the promenade and what's left to the skyline. Strains off his bow tie in the mirror, checks his teeth are squeaky clean. For 35 years he's performed his proudly politically incorrect routine. By the time the punchline arrives at climax, the silence is deafening. He realizes he's the punchline as the cold truth dawns on him. The spotlight fades out and the smoke disappears and he shines his eyes right to the back of the hall. Aghast he screams and he falls to his knees and he sees an audience after all, just swarms of locusts and rats and roaches. No applause, no bunch of roses. We moved on, now he's dying cause we don't wanna hear your racist jokes or your grease lightning. We're going away on holiday, so pack your bags away the lights and leave your dignity behind for the broken lights on the promenade and what's left of the skyline. We're going away on holiday. We know we won't have to queue because there's nobody around. The fortune tellers saw their crystal ball